Magandang tanghali mga kapamilya. Ako si Anton Rojas and welcome to our hashtag Chat with the Phenom, the one and only Eliza Valdez. Yeah! Eliza, alam kong masaya ka ngayon dahil nanalo ang iyong Cleveland
Yes.
Cavaliers.
Yay!
At sino ang malungkot dahil hindi nanalo ang Golden State?
Alam niya na. Hi! Sa... Joke lang.
So we're checking in right here on the website sports.abs-cbn.com. Of course, with me is Eliza Valdez. Eliza, I want to say hi to everybody watching you right now from all over the Philippines.
Hi everyone! I hope po maging productive and maging masaya yung pag-chat natin today. And sana sa mga hindi pa online, sabihin natin yung mga friends natin
Yan.
na to chat with us talaga today.
Spread the word, send us your
Yes.
questions, use the hashtag chat with the Phenom, Eliza Valdez. Now, Eliza, of course, two-time MVP, two-time champion, three-time MVP, a great UAAP career. How does it feel that you're finally moving on to the next chapter of your life?
Siyempre, I'm really happy na graduate ka na sa UAP na na-accomplish mo yung 5 years mo. But really sad also na you're leaving your team, you're leaving Ateneo, you're leaving UAAP kasi doon talaga nag-revolve yung buong 5 years and doon ko rin nakilala yung sarili ko. But I'm really excited sa mga challenges na nasa harap ko and mga opportunities na nag-open for me and siguro sa lahat also ng mga volleyball players.
Pero syempre, maski na nag-graduate ka na, but you're still taking up your masters.
Yes.
Good luck with that, of course.
Thank you.
You're still playing volleyball.
Yes.
And recently, you went to Europe to connect with the Filipino community. You went to Paris, you went to London and Italy. Kindly share with us your experience when you were there.
Super saya. You know, yung feeling na parang nasa Pilipinas ka pa din, iba lang yung weather. Kasi yung pagtanggap talaga ng mga Pilipino sa volleyball and basketball also, sobrang init talaga na parang nung naglaro kami, sobrang daming tao na parang nasa San Juan Arena ka lang, Araneta and MOA na parang mag-cheer talaga sila. And iba rin na makita na parang you're at home and nakikita mo sa mga volleyball supporters natin sa London and Italy na sobrang excited sila. Kung pwede lang daw sila umuwi every time na may game, uuwi sila. So ganun, nakakataba talaga ng puso yung pagtanggap sila sa atin doon.
I'm sure, Eliza, it was a tremendous experience, an unforgettable one sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin in that part of the world. And when you came back, dumiretso ka sa San Juan Arena para mapanood ang iyong mga kakampi sa Volley Pure Water Defenders sa Shakey's V-League. Volley Pure. Let's talk about Volley Pure and Shakey's V-League. I'm sure you're happy dahil ang mga kasama mo sa Volley Pure, one of your close friends, Gretzel Soltones, who's the MVP of the NCAA, her great teammate, napakagaling na libero, Eliza Roa, and of course your former teammates from Ateneo, and you have a great playing coach in Charo Soriano. Talk about playing with that squad. How happy are you to be with them, and what do you think are your chances of making it on top in the Shakey's League?
Siguro from 1 to 10, mga 11, sobrang saya talaga. Kasi, you know, as siguro pag naglalaro ka naman, yeah, it's skills and everything. Pero pag naging kilala mo and malapit sa'yo yung mga teammates mo, iba din yung nagagawa nun as yung siguro sa performance ng team. And, well, we're taking it slow din naman kasi ngayon may mga hindi natin may iwasan kasi graduate na, may mga commitments din yung iba nating mga teammates, yung iba namin mga teammates. So, tinatry talaga namin to look for siguro mga common time na para mag-spend kami together. Not only inside the court also, syempre training is there naman, lagi naman kailangan mag-training together, but also to spend more time siguro outside. And, chances sa
Yes,
sa
chances.
Syempre,
Predictions.
Prediction na. Ano
Okay.
sa tingin niyo? No. Syempre, everything naman, yung goal naman is to be, siguro, is to be in the finals. But siguro sa team namin, we're really taking it, katulad na before, one game at a time naman muna. Kasi sobrang bago din yung team. Kahit
Yes.
sabihin mo magkakasama kami before, never din naman kaming sabay-sabay naglalaro inside the court. So, tinatry namin mag-gel, yung fluidity ng galaw namin, yun din yung pinupakan namin. So, one game at a time, try namin na siguro i-process or gawin ng tama yung mga mali namin na ginagawa sa previous games.
Pero maski na ganun nga ang sitwasyon nyo, you're finding time to gel, finding time to practice. Everybody in your team has their own thing going. Nanalo pa rin kayo. Kahapon, at naka 26 points ka sa iyong pagbabalik. How did you do that? Coming from abroad, not getting much practice with your teammates, and then you still come up with that type of performance.
My teammates naman helped me yesterday naman talaga, and siguro sila din naman talaga yung reason kung bakit talaga ako nakakakuha ng points. But definitely, it was really a struggle for me, honestly, kasi tagal ko rin, 1 month siguro ako nag-stop for playing volleyball. So, ayun, matagal din. But, syempre, ano rin yun, okay din for, syempre, sa katawan namin as an athlete na for the past 10 years naglalaro ka ng volleyball. So, sometimes you really need a break. But, super hirap din talaga na hindi ka naglaro for a month. But, I'm just really happy and sobrang sa awa po ng Diyos na namin talaga kami. And thank you. Sana madami pa kami i-improve sa mga upcoming games namin.
So, number 2 na kayo sa team standings.
Talaga?
Napantayan nyo ang kartada ng Air Force, 3-1, but at the top of the team standings is still Pocari Sweat. And I'm sure a lot of people are waiting sa banggaan nyo ng Pocari Sweat. Parang collision course yan, but of course, there's still Air Force. Eliza, there are also other teams na nanggaling sa iba't ibang rehiyon ng Pilipinas. We have Baguio na talagang pinapakita ang kanilang pagmamahal sa volleyball. They travel all the way from Baguio just to play in the Shakey's V-League. Tapos yung from Iriga City naman with Madam Mayora Madel really supporting the team. Naka-base na yung kanilang team in Quezon City just to participate in Shakey's V-League. What can you say about the one of these teams from different parts outside of Metro Manila to participate here in Shakey's V-League?
Doon mo talaga din makikita kung gaano ka gusto, kung gaano ka mahal ng mga players sa isang sport. And doon nagsisimula yun. Diba? Sabi nga nila, kung hindi mo naman mahal, diba, hindi ka naman magsasacrifice. And doon nagsistart kung paano ka, kung siguro yung attitude mo sa sport and sa paglalaro, diba? Yung love mo dapat talaga doon. But other than that, siguro, dahil din sa sakripisyo na yun, madami din talaga sila makukuhang experience. Makakalaro nila yung mga veterans, yung mga naglalaro dito sa Manila na mga na-expose na rin, not only sa mga paglalaro but also sa media. So, siguro, in a way, matututo din sila how to handle kung paano yung katulad ngayon, madami na talagang nakakapanood. So, matututo sila kung paano i-handle. And siguro, most importantly, yung experience talaga, hindi mo naman din siya makukuha na pag nasa siguro Baguio ka, hindi ka naman makakalaban din ng mga veteran na players, di ba? So, sobrang siguro, let's be thankful sa lahat na nagsusuporta sa Team Baguio, sa Lawag, di ba, na pinapapunta sila dito, binibigyan sila ng suporta para lang maka-experience at makapaglaro dito sa Manila talaga.
So sa lahat ng aming mga kapamilya, you can watch the Shakey's V-League Lunes, Miyerkules at Sabado. 4 p.m. ang start ng coverage live on ABS-CBN Sports in Action.
Yeah, thank you for covering Shakey's V-League talaga.
I'm very excited. I thought I wouldn't be able to say Eliza Valdez breaks down the wall after a long time. So I'm very happy I'm gonna be able to use that line when you play. Pero Eliza, silipin muna natin mga tweets. Siyempre, our followers on Twitter, naghintay sila. So basahin muna natin ang kanilang mga tweets dito. Okay, sabi ni Jancel Sofia Ilas with Twitter handle ilasjancel_, what is your lock screen wallpaper?
Tatanungin ko na lang si Anton ko ano yung lock screen niya. Siya talaga, I said I swear, you should see.
Yeah,
Yes.
my lock screen wallpaper is LeBron James, but they don't care about my lock screen wallpaper. They care about your lock screen wallpaper. Eliza Valdez, can you show us your lock screen wallpaper?
Wala akong
Oh, wait. Okay.
CCTV sa likod.
Oh!
Come on, Eliza. They're waiting.
Papakita ko?
Oh, okay,
Okay,
yes.
yan nakita na si Anton
Okay,
na lang.
i-describe ko na lang. Okay, it's the usual photo of couples where you see
No!
the hand of a guy holding the hand of the girl and they're going somewhere.
Oh.
Is that an accurate description? So ayan.
Okay. Next.
Okay, next question. Okay, aside from Ate Ella, who is your favorite singer?
Who's my favorite singer? Kiefer, you should hear Kiefer sing.
Yeah, I saw your interview with Tito Boy on Tonight with Boy Abunda, and you told Tito Boy that if there's one song that reminds you of Kiefer, it's One Call Away.
Yeah.
Did Kiefer ever sing to you? Oh well, obviously he did, but where did he sing? And I know he plays the guitar. I know he can play that song. Did he ever serenade you?
No.
Really?
That song?
Yeah.
Not that song.
Not that song. Pero bakit naman yun yung song na nagre-remind sa'yo about Kiefer?
Wala lang. So next time. Ano ba yun?
Pero yun po ang sinabi ni Eliza when she was interviewed by Tito Boy. Okay, describe Kiefer in one word, sabi ni MJ.
Competitive.
Competitive. I remember when I interviewed you before, you also said he's a very thoughtful guy.
Yeah.
And a very, a man for others. Okay, next question. Hi, Lee. Piece of advice naman from you para sa mga volleyball players na nagsa-start pa lang sa career nila as an athlete.
Just keep, siguro, don't let your siguro fear haunt you. Basta kailangan lang talaga, ganun talaga, mag-fail, nakakapagod, hindi ka marunong, yung tipong parang matatakot ka pa rin mag-try. Pero doon talaga nagsa-start lahat eh. Kahit naman doon ako nag-start. So, try lang na try. And you don't have to expect anything naman from yourself. Just keep on going and trying. Kasi eventually naman dadating tayo. It's a process eh. It's a long process. So, konti-konti lang dapat.
Tama eh. It took a while before you guys made it to the top of the mountain of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament, but you did it, and it was all worth it. 2 championships. Now, let's go back to our question. Do you miss Batangas po? Kasi it looks like you're busy here in Manila.
Super! As in, super miss. Not only Batangas, but my family. As in, nakaka-miss na magsispend ka lang ng time, just nakahiga ka lang, nanonood ka ng TV, kumakain with your family. So, yun, nakaka-miss talaga.
Yeah, Eliza Valdez, of course, is from San Juan, Batangas.
Yeah.
That's right. And I think Gretchen Ho did a documentary on you, The Flight of the UAP Phenom, which is airing this Sunday. That's June 19, 6 p.m. on ABS-CBN Sports in Action. I think you showed your house.
Yes,
is that right?
Yes.
Okay, ano pa ang ibang abangan ng iyong mga fans sa documentary na yun, chat? Flight with the UAP
Honestly,
Phenom.
pare-parehas po tayo magugulat sa ipapalabas nila sa documentary. Kasi kahit ako po, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga kinuhanan nila, sino yung kinausap nila, sino yung in-interview nila. So, pare-parehas nating panoorin para makita natin, abangan natin kung ano yung mga surprises nila para sa ating lahat.
So ayan, markahan nyo na po ang inyong mga kalendaryo. June 19, Sunday, 6 p.m. sa ABS-CBN Sports and Action. Alright, let's go back to more questions here. Hi, Ate Lee. Ano feeling na tapos na yung 5 years mo sa UAAP? I think we answered that a while ago. Of course, Eliza said it was a very fulfilling experience, but life goes on and you can still connect to people on and off the volleyball court.
So, they're trying to...
Yes. Well, I have some questions which I picked out when I was looking at the hashtag chat with the Phenom, and there are a couple of good questions. Sabi ni @Sally Jaylee, as the only girl in the family now, do you find how do you find time with your siblings and your family?
Honestly, nagkakaroon lang kami ng time pag nanonood talaga sila ng game.
Okay.
And then, siguro we're just gonna eat out. They're gonna, siguro, lagi nila akong binubuli after the game. The usual.
What do you mean, bully?
Kasi lagi yung inaasar nila eh.
Bakit?
Hindi ko, siguro kasi ako yung only girl.
Yeah.
So, lagi nila akong aasarin, nila kuya. So, ganun lang. Pero, ganun lang kami mag-spend ng time. Tapos, lagi kaming kakain.
Naalala ko, sinabi mo sa akin, Eliza, na nahilig ka sa volleyball because of your brothers who were very athletic. They played basketball, they played volleyball, but then you found sisters in UST and Ateneo, is that right?
Yeah, super. And makikita nila dun sa documentary, naglaro ako with my brothers.
Yun.
And yung little brother ko. Pero laro.
So that's one good thing to look forward to sa documentary, The Flight of the UAP Phenom with Eliza Valdez, of course, on Sunday, June 19, 6 p.m. sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action. We're going to take a break, but stay with us, stay online. We'll have more hashtag chat with the Phenom, Eliza Valdez, when we return.
Lau, don't be so bored, Lau.
Oh yeah, it's Laura Liman. How much do you love me? We'll get back to that.
I'll ask Bon.
Yes, yes. Oh, wait, we're still on. Okay, so I think we can respond to this tweet by Laura Liman. How much do you love me?
Lau, you know, magkakalit sa akin si Bon eh. So, maybe ask Bon na lang. Tweet ko si Bon.
And of course, a lot of people are laging inaabangan yung mga interviews mo with Lau, pre-game. I know you had another very fun pre-game interview
Yeah,
with Laura.
yesterday.
Oh,
Super kulit.
Yeah.
And she's really, super nag-improve. Sino? Magtagalog sila, Super cute nila.
Yeah, kasi sa Shakey's B-League, we're being told to speak more Tagalog. As in 70% Tagalog and 30% English. So it's also training sa lahat ng mga sportscasters,
Yeah.
especially Laura Liman. And, so you're saying now, gumaling.
Yeah, super. Dati magte-text lang yan sa akin. I'm really having a hard time sa Filipino class ko.
Oo nga.
Magtatanong siya.
At sinabi ko rin kay Laura na, Lau, hindi na kita kakausapin ng English at Tagalog na tayo. Pati pag nagte-text Tagalog na. Okay, balikan natin ang mga tweets. Another question from Lau again. Okay. Eliza?
What is Vanya Adriel like? Siya po yung my momager.
Okay.
Super motherly. Di ba, Lau? Lau, ano bang ginagawa mo today?
I-block mo sila. Spam.
Okay, next question. Marunong po kayo magluto. Ano po ang favorite nyong lutuin from Jamila?
Sa panigilan po, nagluluto ako. Nagluluto ako ng pasta. I'm trying. I'm really trying to cook talaga.
Does Kiefer cook for you? And what does he cook?
I don't... He tries also.
Curry.
Curry. Pero, sorry. Ano tayo?
Panalo tayo game 5 today. So, Eliza and I are in a very good mood
You know.
right now. So, keep sending in those questions. Hashtag chat with the Phenom. We're reading them right now. This is a nice question since we just mentioned the NBA Finals. Sino yung gusto mo ma-meet and greet sa Cavs? This is from Marnes.
Siyempre, kasama ko si Anton pag nag-meet and greet yung tao. Isa lang yung gusto namin. It's LeBron and Kyrie.
Yes.
Kyrie also.
Oh, Kyrie had a great game.
Yeah, super. Galing. 82 points, just the two of
Yeah,
them.
just the two of them, grabe. The
God.
only time na two players scored plus 40 in the finals.
Yeah.
So they made history today, and we're still alive. Woo!
Game 6.
Okay, do we have time or are we going to a break? Okay, because I prepared, I'm going to go Tito Boy mode here and do a little bit of fast talk. I have two variations of fast talk. Sanay ka na dito, Eliza. So I'm going to give you choices and then I'm just gonna wait for your response.
Okay.
Okay, let's do fast talk. This is the first version. Twitter or Instagram?
Instagram.
Spiking or serving?
Spiking. Ang hirap ng questions eh. Nakabay na rin. Ang hirap pala nito.
It's gonna get better. Binagoongan or frozen brazo? Siya.
Both!
No. If you had to just have one, binagoongan
Frozen
or
braso.
Okay.
Okay.
Just to give you history, that's the favorite food of Eliza and Kiefer, frozen brazo. I asked you that when I interviewed you in January. But when you were interviewed by Tito Boy, you said if you could eat any food, binagoongan,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Wow.
We're
Doing
gonna,
some research.
okay, I always do my research, and I want to give more, but I think we're going to have to head to a break. So stay with us. We'll have more fast talk and probably a couple more things when we return with Eliza Valdez. This is hashtag Chat with the Phenom.
Hi! To watch more sports live chat highlights, subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel. And for more videos, just click the I button.